Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And
Oke,
you?
I'm good, thank you. Oke, sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran hari ini, I want to check your attendance first. And please say present if you can hear me clearly ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke,
Oke, Miss.
Hana Izdihar.
Present, Miss.
Oke, good. Mutiarista.
Present, Miss.
Oke. Okay, I can see everyone is here. So before we start, make sure your microphone is mute. But please stay active during this class, ya. Okay.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, guys. Before we talk about today's topic, I have question for you. You can see at the PPT on the screen.
I
Yes,
see, Miss.
Miss.
Okay, look at this picture. Do you think students should to be allowed to use smartphone at the school? Menurut kalian tuh boleh nggak sih siswa ini menggunakan smartphone di sekolah? Boleh atau enggak? Menurut kalian?
Boleh, Miss.
Boleh. Pendapat lain?
Nggak boleh, Miss.
Oke, jadi ada yang bilang boleh, ada yang bilang nggak boleh ya. I can see the different answer in here. Oke, some of you say boleh, Miss, tapi some of you juga say nggak boleh, Miss. There's interesting because we have different opinions ya. Now let me ask you. If I ask you, what do you think about using a smartphone at the school? And how can you answer the question in English? Maybe some of you can answer, but today we're going to learn how to express our opinions uh, to do correctly in English, yeah. So our topics today is expressing opinions. Okay, before we continue, let me tell you our learning objects, yeah. Okay. Before we continue, after today lesson, uh, Ibu tuh ngarep supaya kalian tuh be able to identify expression for asking and giving opinions. And you will also be able to agree or disagree about someone opinion and tentunya dengan ini ya sopan ya politely ya. And finally you will be able to express your own opinion about every topic gitu. So by the end of the lesson, I hope you can say your opinion in English. Jadi semuanya harus pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Ready?
Ready, Miss.
Ready, Miss.
Okay, great. Let's get started. First, what mau nanya dulu ya. First, what is opinion? Opini itu apa sih menurut kalian? Opinion? Anyone else?
I think English. Gimana sih?
Opinion
Gimana?
itu artinya
Pendapat,
Pendapat,
Miss.
Miss.
pendapat atau
Hmm?
panda
Pandangan,
Pandangan.
Miss.
pandangan terhadap
Pandangan.
sesuatu ya betul. Pendapat atau pandangan terhadap sesuatu. Misalnya seperti yang udah ada di layar nih. I think English is an interesting subject. Ini kan termasuk sentence express opinion ya. Ini pendapat dari seseorang, pendapat dari orang yang nulis ini tuh bilang bahasa Inggris itu menarik gitu. Nanti ada lagi ekspresi lain. Kalau saya bilang I think English is an interesting subject, berarti saya sedang menyampaikan bahwa saya tertarik dengan pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Seperti itu. Simple ya.
Ya,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke, now let's learn how to ask someone opinion. Gimana sih caranya kita supaya nanya pendapat seseorang? Ya, when we want to know someone's opinion, we can use the expression seperti ini. Ada apa aja, Hana? Di layar boleh dibacakan?
Ada. What do you think about?
Oke, nice.
What is your opinion about?
Betul.
How do you feel about?
Mm-mm.
And then do you think?
Oke, betul. Jadi kalau misalnya kita mau nanya gimana pendapat seseorang terhadap sesuatu, kita bisa pakai empat ini, teman-teman. Bisa pakai what do you think about, bisa pakai what is your opinion about, how do you feel about, and do you think. Seperti itu. Kalau misalnya eh ibu tanya nih, what do you think? Nanti kalian jawabannya apa? Pakai bahasa Inggris lagi. Sudah pasti
I
diawali
think.
dengan
I think.
I
I
think.
think.
Betul, I think ya. Excellent sekali. Nah, ini contohnya. Kalau misalnya kita mau nanya pendapat seseorang, pakainya what do you think? Boleh dibacakan, Mutia? Yang di layar?
Uh, what do you think about online learning?
Ini adalah salah satu contoh untuk menanyakan eh, sebuah pendapat, ya. Oke, if someone asks for our opinion, how can we answer? Yang tadi Hana jawab nih, ada pertama, I think, ya. Jadi ada empat juga nih Mutia, boleh tolong dibacakan? Can you read this for me, please? Ada apa aja sih?
Ada I think, I
Mhm.
believe,
I believe.
in my opinion,
Oke.
from my point of view.
Oke, benar. For example, it's like in my opinion, gitu. Baru bla 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 kalimatnya. Like, in my opinion, online learning is useful gitu. Menurut saya, belajar online nih sangat berguna seperti itu. Atau bisa juga pakai yang I think. I think English is important for students. Seperti itu. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian mau nyampein pendapat, you can start your sentence with the expression. Seperti itu ya. Oke. Nah, seperti yang ada di contoh tadi ya. For example, in my opinion, atau kalian juga bisa pakai I think. Seperti itu. Sampai sini paham atau who want to ask?
Nothing, Miss.
Oke,
Paham.
oke, good. Next is agreeing and disagreeing. Setuju atau tidak setuju? What if someone gives us an opinion and we have the same opinion? Gimana sih kalau misalnya ada orang yang nyampein pendapat tapi kita setuju juga sama pendapatnya? Contohnya, for example, I think students should exercise regularly. Oh, lawannya bilang, I agree with you. Ini kita bisa jawabnya dengan ini ya. Jadi kalau misalnya ada pendapat yang kalian juga setujui, you can use I agree with you. Seperti itu, paham? Simple?
Simple, Miss.
Okay, good.
Simple, Miss.
So, what if we have different opinions? Setelah yang tadinya kita setuju, yang ini kita nggak setuju. We didn't agree. We can use I don't really agree. I have a different opinion. I see your point, but baru kita jelasin. Seperti itu. Understand?
Understand, Miss. Got
Oke.
it.
Jadi jangan langsung bilang kalau punya pendapat yang different, yang berbeda, jadi jangan langsung bilang you wrong. Ah, you can like that ya. Itu terdengarnya kurang polite, kurang sopan. Ya, instead we can say kalau misalnya mau didebatin, we can say I see your point, but seperti itu. Aku tahu maksudmu, tapi kita jelasin deh ya. Much better, right?
Alright, Miss.
Oke.
Right, Miss.
Oke, example. I have some dialogue you can use. Can I can do you help me to do this conversation? I want the student A do by Hana and the student B do by Mutia. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
Miss.
Got it, Miss.
Okay, thank you. You can read this dialogue.
Okay. What do you think about using smartphones at school?
In my opinion, smartphones can be useful for learning.
I agree with you. Students can use them to find information.
That's true. But students should use smartphones responsibly.
Okay, nice. Now let's identify the expression. What is the expression for asking someone opinion? Ya,
What do you think about using smartphone at school, Miss?
excellent, betul ya. Oke, correct, good job, Mutia. Next, ya ini jawabannya ya, betul ya. Next, which sentence show giving opinion?
In my opinion, smartphones can be useful for learning, Miss.
Apakah benar? Oke, excellent. And the last is which one show agreement? Anyone?
I agree with you,
Yang
Miss.
I agree
Yes,
with
Miss.
you.
That
Perfect, very good, Hana Mutia. Oke, eh apa ya lupa? Okay, guys. Now I want you all give me some opinion about what do you think about homework. Ya. Um, Remember, start your answer with a I think or in my opinion. Okay? I give you one example first. Like, in my opinion, homework is useful because it helps students do practice. Now, your turn. Please give me your opinion. Yes. Okay? Who
Hana,
wants to?
Miss.
Okay, Hannah, you ready?
I'm
Okay,
ready, Miss.
go ahead.
In my opinion, homework is sometimes difficult.
Okay,
That right,
another.
Miss?
Right, Hannah, excellent.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Another.
Mutia, Miss.
Mutia,
I want
okay.
try.
Okay.
Mm, I think homework is important, Miss.
Okay, good. Both of you good. That's good opinion. I like your answer because you give a clear reason, yeah. Okay, let's see another answer. And very good. Your grammar is also good. Don't worry if your answer is not perfect because the important thing is that you want to try. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to do a short activity. I want to you work with your partner. And since we're learning online, you can discuss in here uh, through this Zoom and choose one topic from these five. Jadi ada 5 topik, kalian ada 6 malah ya. Oh 5. Nanti kalian bisa pilih salah satu ya. Nanti kalian buat short dialogue. Oke? Dan
Okay, Miss.
di dialognya harus mengandung 3. Yang pertama adalah asking for opinion. Next is giving opinion and agreeing or disagreeing. Oke?
Okay, Miss.
Oke. For example ya, Miss kasih satu contoh. It's like, what do you think about online learning? And then some people say, I think online learning is useful. Oke, I agree with you. Nah, itu kan udah ada tiga-tiganya ya. Asking, giving, sama agreeing. Oke?
Yeah, Miss.
Oke. So, I give your 2 minutes maybe enough or not?
Enough, Miss.
Okay, enough. Okay. If you ready, you can say, I'm ready, Miss, to do a conversation, yeah?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, everyone, time is up. Who would like to do conversation? Hana, Mutia?
Okay, Miss. We will
Okay.
try.
Okay, you ready?
Ready, Miss?
Okay, go
Ready,
ahead.
Miss?
What do you think about school uniforms?
In my opinion, school uniforms are important.
I agree with you because uniforms make students look neat.
Yes, I think so too.
That's me.
Okay, thank you. Good job, guys. Your dialect was clear and you use expression correctly. Let's give them applause. Correct. Oke, jadi kalian tadi pilihnya yang school uniforms ya?
Yeah, Miss.
Oke. So, maybe it's enough. Before we finish, let's do quick review ya. Today we learn about expressing opinions. First question, how do we ask for someone opinion? Ada yang mau jawab? Who wants to answer?
Hana, Miss.
Hana, go ahead.
What do you think about?
Betul, excellent. Oke, how do we give our opinion?
Mutia, Miss.
Mutia, oke?
With I think
I
or
think
in my opinion,
good. Oke, kalau how do we agree with someone opinion? Pakainya apa?
yang I agree with you.
I agree with you, great. So, and how can we disagree tapi politely? Kita pakainya apa?
I don't really agree,
I
Miss.
don't really agree. Excellent, you got it. Okay. Do you feel more confidence expressing your opinion in English nggak sekarang?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, that's great. I'm happy to hear that. So, today we'll learn that expressing an opinion it's not only about saying what we think. We also need to listen to other people and respect their opinions. And even when we disagree, yeah, remember, don't be afraid to speak English. Making mistake is part of learning. So practice makes progress. And thank you so much for your participation today. You guys were amazing. That's all for today, listen. Have a great day, everyone. See you in our next class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thank you,
wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Miss.
Thank
Miss.
you.